Well, I told you I wasn't going to make a video until Friday, but here I am, just making one a couple hours after I just made two for Tuesday. And this video is because I just watched another video. It's a video of a piece of fat wood, and it's her channel is at Nature Inspired Snips and Snaps, but I've always called her Off-Grid Connie because she lives off-grid and her name is Connie. And she had a big old chunk of fat wood just like this right here, and she was trying to light it with a lighter, and it lit up for a little bit, but then it went out. And then she cut some shavings off of it and lit it up. And her question was, does all fat wood light up? And I don't care if you're a sightseer, a backpacker, a hiker, a prepper, a bushcrafter, a camper, a trail rider, going on a fishing trip, going on a hunting trip, an explorer, or a nature walker, or a survivalist. I'm all of those things. And I start fires every single day. I burnt firewood for the last 35 years. And I start multiple fires every single day. I just don't video them. And a lot of them, I start them with fat wood. And she wanted to know if all fat wood was the same. Well, we got a piece of fat wood here. This is from Shalisha Shell in Michigan. I got some Texas Dragon Tail. I got some Florida Gold from Dominic Minichetti. I've got some Sticky Icky from New Zealand from Jason Edward Ledbury, and some Ohio fat wood. And of course, this is a piece of Ohio fat wood, and this was just cut probably about a month and a half ago, if that long. And I cut that right off this is a limb, and I cut it right off the tree. And let me show you the end here. And what we're going to do is we're going to light up every single one of these here. And it's easier the smaller the piece is. And to get it small, well, we've got curls here in this bag. And we got the snowflake, maple leaf, sticky ickies that we've made in a pencil sharpener. And you've seen them light up, but I'm sure everybody hasn't seen them light up. So we're going to try to do a little bit of everything here. And we're not going to light them with a lighter or matches. We're going to light them with a Nathan4071 Ferrocerium Rod. And we're going to do it with this one right here. And this one right here has got a piece of fat wood on it. I'm just not going to use this though. I polyurethane this one up so I could not use it. So let's get this big old chunk here out of the way. This is from Michigan, from Shalisha Shell. Now you're going to see the fat wood. That's all the red, and the darker the red, the more the fat wood. So let's get that part right there. And you're going to see little shavings, and it's almost like spaghetti. And you're going to see how easy it lights. Now you can see I just made that, and you can't even tell where I've taken that off. There is just hundreds and thousands of fires from this big old chunk here. Now we're going to set it out of the way. Now we're going to light this with a Nathan4071 Ferrocerium Rod. Look at that. That's how easy fatwood lights. And this is a chunk here Dominic Minichetti sent me. And this is second on the list. And the littler your shavings are, the more easy they're going to light. Texas fatwood. This is my Texas Dragon Tail. Yeah, it looks like spaghetti. It looks like spaghetti. It's real fine, and it's going to start easy. Jason Edward Ledbury in New Zealand. This is clear around the world, on the bottom half of the world. Looks like bacon. Ohio fatwood. I got that at the sawmill. This was practically free. Sorry about that, Jason, putting your fire out, but ready to make another one. this was just cut, like I said, about a month and a half ago. We're going to get some curls off of it. You can see where I didn't process the whole thing, just the end here. And I scraped some of that off right there. We'll get some curls. That's the same kind of curls we got in this bag right here. So we got fatwood from Michigan, we got flatwood from Florida, Ohio, and clear around the world in New Zealand. And yes, all fatwood is the same. It lights up. We even have fresh Ohio fatwood that's been cut a month and a half ago. The tree that fell in my yard about two months ago that I made videos on. This chunk here, remember? Look inside that. Look how beautiful that is. This stuff is really volatile. So yes, Connie, all fatwood is volatile and flammable. Check out GRID Connie is what I call her. But her channel is at Nature-Inspired Snips and Snaps. I'll put her link in the description and on the title. So check her channel out and give her a thumbs up. And I'll see you on Fired Up Friday, unless I see somebody else's video and I have to make another one. You know me, I enjoy making fire, so see you on Friday. Thanks for watching.